Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm sharing some kitchen essentials haul in collaboration with Temu. We are styling and organizing the kitchen with amazing items. If you guys do enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing before you go. I'm so excited to share all the goodies I picked up for the kitchen. If you guys aren't familiar with Temu, they are a great online marketplace that you can get amazing high quality products at affordable prices in multiple different categories. They offer so many incredible coupons and always have site-wide sales of savings up to 90% off with free shipping and returns for up to 90 days. And there's more. Temu is celebrating their first year anniversary and it has thousands of items all for just $1 on the Temu app. So you can download the Temu app from my link in the description box down below and you get $100 worth of coupons towards your chosen items. So definitely check Temu. I absolutely love how low their prices are and a one-stop shop to buy stuff for the home, clothing, organization, you name it. Their anniversary sale ends this month, September, so definitely take advantage of all the incredible offers. These items are functional and at the same time stylish, and it could be used all year round. So now that our kitchen is nice and clean, let's start using our new items. Starting off with this corner, I'm going to start stacking some of my cutting boards, and at the same time they will style this space. I'm going to add this beautiful cake stand to add a flower arrangement, followed by my knife set, and last but not least, this weekly planner, which is going to be very handy because I'm going to be using it to add our meal plans and anything that we're missing for groceries. This way, the whole family is on the same page. Unfortunately, my fridge is not magnetic. I didn't check this, but this is next to the fridge and I really think that it looks so pretty as well. I always try to have all of my cooking essentials within reach, and I try as much as possible so that it won't look like clutter. And when you add pretty pieces for your everyday use items, everything looks nice and tidy. So I picked up this set of wooden spoons. I think they're acacia wood and they bring so much warmth. I fell in love with this gorgeous oil dispenser. The design is beautiful and the cap allows you to pour your liquid without having to wipe off the tip like I was doing before with my previous one. There's no spills here and any remaining oil goes back inside the bottle, which is amazing. They have different sizes. This one is the 500 ml. I will leave the link for all of these items down below, along with the link and coupon code to download this amazing app. Next is this cute wooden seasoning jar. It brings a lid and a spoon. You can use this in so many ways. I needed something like this to store my salt, and the convenience of the lid that your seasoning will not be on the wide open, and it goes so well with our new wooden spoons. Baking season is here, and this handmade wooden cookbook stand is perfect to display a good recipe book. I definitely wanted to add some dark wood pieces to the kitchen for fall. For the sink area, I searched for a pedestal to display my hand soap and mini scrub, and this way these have a home, not on the counter, creating visual clutter. Now displaying artwork in the kitchen, is trendy and very popular now, and I found this gorgeous print showcasing these aged pots, and I think this will bring so much charm to this side of the kitchen. For the island, I picked up these lovely autumn stems. This came in a set of 3 and it will bring that plum burgundy tone to the kitchen that I'm using throughout my home this fall. I already fluffed this and bent some of the stems just to make them more realistic. Last but not least, I picked up this bamboo organizer with cutter to store the aluminum foil, the saran wrap, the wax paper. It brings its own stickers too. And for the longest, I wanted to organize this. I have 3 drawers in the island and I'm using bamboo organizers. So I wanted to get this in bamboo as well. This is not only to organize, but it looks so aesthetically pleasing. These items are some of Temu's most popular and best-selling products in the kitchen home category, so definitely check them out because they have so many amazing good quality items at factory prices. Let me know down in the comments what was your favorite item from this haul. I would love to know. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Follow me on Instagram for more inspiration. God bless you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.